Hello guys, welcome to another video tutorials on PHP/Laravel. Today I will be taking you throughout the installation processes, and we will be using Composer and Git. Alright, and also I will be using XAMPP server. Alright, but then you can feel free to use any other server like WAMP or any other one that you are familiar with. Okay, so just feel free, but in this video section we will be using the XAMPP. All right, so you can see I'm already on the XAMPP website, apachefriends.org. all right, but if not, all you need to do, you just go to Google and you can just type XAMPP. all right, of course the system is a bit slower, so you just bear with me. All right, having gone this to this area, you can just click on this and then you are at the same page. All right, so if you're using a Windows via the window, you go for this. If you're using the Mac, you go for this. You go for this. If you're using Linux, you go for this. All right, so like for me, I am going for the Windows because I'm using Windows 10 actually. All right, but whichever window you're using, I believe all the installation is probably the same thing. Okay, all right, so let's go with this and see what we have. So I'll just click here, of course, and any moment from now my download should start already. All right, so we just give it some minutes and we have our downloads on our system. All right, my download is done, so I'll probably go to my download folder. Okay, and I'll locate my XAMPP. You can see it right here. Because I already have it, I won't be doing the installation, but I can just begin it, but I'll not finish it. So let's see how far we can go with this. Right, so you just bear with me, the system is a bit slower. I guess maybe I'm running so many graphics applications, and that is why. All right, it's up. Alright, the system is a bit slower, so you can see your Apache server should start coming up any moment from now. Alright, well, I don't know what is happening to the system today. You know, the level at which is slow is not encouraging. Right, so it's up, it's coming up. So all right, important notice, just ignore, just okay, and your XAMPP should come up this way. All you need to do is just next. All right, okay, because I already have a XAMPP folder, understand? So it will not allow me. So probably what you should be doing is next, and please do not stop any pop-up. Okay, do not stop it, just keep on nesting until the end of the installation. All right, it's probably the same way you install any other application on your system, so this is not a new thing. All right, so we'll go out of here and I will definitely make sure that everything is working. All right, so what I'm going to do right now is to start. I'll just close it. Yes, I want to stop this installation, so I don't want to install it because I already have it. All right, because if I should do this now, actually I didn't back up my htdoc files, so in that case it's going to override every other thing, and then I will lose all my application. Okay, so I don't want to do that now. So let's head to Composer. All right, I just get my Composer because I already have my XAMPP, so I just need to go to Composer. You just type Compose. All right, so all we need to do is just to type Composer right here and search, and of course if you have something like this, and when you click, it should take you to this composer.com. You click on download and you just click here. As you can see, you already have, once you click, it will just drop right there. I already have it downloaded right here. So all I need to do is to open it right here and start my installation. I say yes. All right, so all I need to do is to next, and you can see this location here, it has already chosen my php.executable file. But if not, all you need to do, you click on this location here, browse it, and you go to your local dates, and then XAMPP, locate XAMPP, and of course you locate the php.executable file. I think it should probably be in our config. I guess so. Or be PHP admin. PHP admin. No. Where was that? I guess PHP. That's a PHP. Yes, it's probably the PHP folder. Alright. As you can see, it's from there, PHP folder, and you still select the same thing. All right, so all you need to do now is just next, and your installation will continue. All right, you can just ignore this guy, just next and install, and your installation should probably be finishing up. Yes, it's already done. You can see finish right here and click OK. All right, so at the same time we can go to our browser and also look for Git. So this time around we'll be installing the Git. All right, you just type the Git download actually, so that you can see it immediately. Yes, this is it, and all we need to do, you can see it, we have it for the Mac, the Linux, and the Windows. So for Windows, you just click right here and your download should start. If not, you click on this. All right, you can see it starting, but in this case I'm going to pause this or cancel it because I already have it. So all I need to do, I can just go to the folder, come here and see my download, and of course I have the Git. Where are you? Git. Don't I have it? I thought I have Git. Don't I? I didn't have. Okay, this is it. Don't mind me. I think probably I'm tired because of workload of today. All right, and of course Git, I already have Git, but then I'll still install it. It will want well. Alright. It will not harm me, it will not harm my system. So you just continue the installation. Just nice. There's no need to choose anything. It's cool. All right. You want to enable file system caching, enable Git control manager, and you can just next, and installation should finish. I'm going to cancel this because I already have Git. I don't need it. Okay, so I'm going to cancel it right now, but it's refusing to cancel. Oh my goodness. Alright, this was the previous one I was actually using. So I'll just cancel the installation, and that is all with the installation. Okay, it's refusing to cancel. Actually, I want to cancel you. I don't want to do any set. I already have it, Mr. Man. Alright, so we are done with the installation. You can see what is happening already. I think I already have my XAMPP running, but if not, okay, let me just quit it and I'll go to my window and start running my XAMPP. But if you can't find it, you just find search it right here. Okay, you should see XAMPP, okay, the control panel. So by clicking on it, it should come up immediately, and of course you should have this Apache and MySQL. Okay, so if you don't have it starting, you can just start it. Okay, of course on default it should come up like this. So you have to click on Start Apache, and you wait a bit for this to come up so that there will be no confliction, and then you also start this MySQL. So you already have SQL Server included on this XAMPP server. Alright, so you don't need to install anything except you want to use MySQL query browser, which we're going to see in the later section of this tutorial. Okay, so you just keep your fingers crossed and I will take you right there. So in order to test this guy, you can decide to close it right now, but then no problem, it will be running in the background. Okay, come here, you can see I have two already, so I'll just quit one. I only need one to be running. Alright, so I can just test it right now. Okay, let me just use this localhost, and yeah, just localhost, and see if my XAMPP is running. Actually it's running. You can say welcome to XAMPP blah 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 7.31. so our XAMPP is actually running. All right, so the next thing is to actually start Git. My Git is no longer I think I need to install it all over again. Oh my goodness. Oh, my Git is out of it. Fine, so I'll just go right here and do the installation all over again. I think the previous one actually removed the one I had, that installation I was trying to do. So I'll just go straight away. Just do this, please. I need the icon on the desktop for easy accessment. Okay, easy access. All right, so I'll just next, and I'll have my Git installed. Yes, so I believe you are following this. If you have any challenge or any suggestion, please you can drop the comments. Okay, so I believe we are doing our best. Okay, well done. If you have reached this installation part, well done to you. Or if not, don't feel so bad. Okay, It's all part of it. Okay, so I think I'll just pause this video for now, or I should just wait. I think I should wait. It's almost done. All right. Okay, the installation is up and running. It's almost done. Can you see that? It's almost done. Yes. Some seconds to go. Yes. So we have our gates installed. Okay. Finish, and of course I need it to be launched. I don't need any release notes, so I'll just launch it directly, and I should have my gate is running. So for us to test if we have successfully installed our composer, I think I will just go right here and type composer and hit the enter key. If it's successful, you should have composer and the files. You can say it install. Okay, you can expand it this way and you can say it's composer. So that means we are good to go. Okay, yes. Wow. So the next thing we are going to do is to do our installation for install a Laravel. So I'll just clear this up and I'll start installing my Laravel. First of all, I need to change my directory to XAMPP. Alright, it's already on C. Okay, let me just do this, change to C directory, and then also change to XAMPP /ht docs. Alright, so I'm already there, so I can start installation. So I'm using composer, and then we have create project, then Laravel /Laravel as a package name, Laravel, and then the folder. So we're going to be using stud. Okay, we're using stud. Let's use stud. Yes, and we can just hit enter key and wait for the installation to come up. Alright, we are done. You can see the installation is successful and has given us application set key. Okay, so right now we'll just go into our XAMPP, go to local disk, XAMPP, ht-docs, and look at it, stud, and we have all the folders and requirements right here. So all we need to do now is to go to our editor. Like for me, I am using PHP Storm, and if you have some bugs, I advise you just purchase it, but if not, you can go to Visual Code and download it. It's also a very good text editor. We can start from there. So let's just load our project right here by going to File, and I'll just open right here, open and locate stud. Okay, where is it? Down. Yes, here it is. So click OK. I want it to open on this window. Alright, our project is fully loaded. So you can see it right here, stood. So I'll just expand it by hitting this arrow, and then we can see all the folders and application, the app folders, bootstrap, config, database, public resources, routes, storage, taste, vendor, etc. Alright, so we have come to the end of this installation. I will see you in the next video. Okay, if you have any question, any suggestion, you can just drop your comment in the comment box. All right, so, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and so you can get my subsequent videos. All right, so thank you for watching this video. Let's see you in the next video. Bye.